Tapos may caption dyan, 6:02 a.m.
Oh my
waiting
God.
for the bus. FOMO ako kasi hindi by 3 yung But it's okay, I get that.
Ano, roll your eyes. Chita, roll your eyes. Wait. Roll your eyes, roll your eyes. Hi guys. Rinig ba ako? Mic test. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes. So we're gonna have a little mukbang, guys. We bought chow fan from Chowking. Steam Shamai. And ang bilis ng service na.
Enjoy the meal.
We're saan tayo, Gabi, right now?
We're in Bocaue.
Yeah, we're currently in Bocaue.
Stopover before continuing on our road trip to where is our next destination?
Manila!
Ocean Park.
I did not experience going to Kidzania or...
Me too.
Yeah, this is Gabby's first field trip, by the way.
Real life here. Because in my previous schools, field trips were banned because someone got into an accident.
How though?
Unfortunately. I don't know. I don't know the details.
Pengen chichara. Pengen chichara. Please. Oh my gosh. Ilang siomai yung sa'yo?
4.
5 yung akin.
Galing naman.
5 yung siomai ko.
Si Eden.
Hmm? So, Sean and I are currently mic'd up.
Hello! Baka nakapila. Joke. Ay, dito
Ay,
tayo.
oh my gosh! Sa Bayadong!
Gian! Wala sa akin sila, Mike.
I'm getting FOMO. What? Talk to the mic, sorry.
I'm getting FOMO because I'm not in the group. Yung nagbubulungan kayo, pero gusto nyo marinig. So, yung ano, yung...
Yo, what's good?
Kaya nga.
Ay, line.
Kami po ang pinakauna na papasok sa Bayadome sa aming klase.
Yes, na my
Asan si Ma'am
partner.
Alex, hindi pa ako nililibre ng Starbucks.
Oh my gosh, wait lang. Kailangan
Oh my
natin
God, oh my
scan
God,
yung
oh my
QR code. Look, there's fishies. Uy, miss mo.
Species ng goldfish, guys. Guys, don't fight. Be kind.
Don't fall.
Live, laugh, love.
Oh my gosh, what's...
Uy, ang laki!
Oh my God!
Ang laki!
It's a crocodile!
Ang laki!
May ano?
Tara, pasok na. Picture na tayo.
Yes!
Wait.
Charot.
Oh my God!
Ano?
Ayun!
Ano yun? Maglalaro pa tayo ng game ng...
Name that politician! Tara.
Excited! Mga nagtatakbuhan.
Sabi ko in the middle. Kaya ako mauna. Ikaw mauna. Gab. It's moving. Uy, gago. Gab.
Ay,
Wait,
Gagagatin ka niya.
Hoy, kaninong 100 to?
Oh my God!
ingay natin.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Look at the feet.
What the heck?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God! Oh my gosh! So cute!
My crocodile! Ay, sorry. Hi, guys.
Hi,
So we
guys.
just had a break.
Ang ingay
It's
namin,
so
oh my
fun
gosh.
kasi
Guys,
you can see the private part
ramdam
of
ko
the
talaga nasabog
crocodile.
yung audio namin ni Sean.
Yeah.
That's so aesthetic.
Wait. Can you video me like alone
Okay.
na naglalakad? Okay.
Aray ko.
Pasok! Ano yun?
Oh my God, there was a
Oh my
parrot!
God, ang cute ng parrot.
God.
I found my spirit animal. Right there.
Gabi, kapag
Ah.
umakyat ako doon,
Akyat
pipicturean
na
mo
tayo.
ako.
Uy, it's flying.
We?
Okay, so ako mag-narrate habang wala si Jada. Hindi, video mo lang siya. Okay, so I'm walking through this amazing wonderland and there's people in front of me, so I'm kind of slow. Wait, it's like talking to us. Hey, how do you call a duck? Manok yun. Girl, asan na si Jada? Yo, oh, that's so cool. What the hell? Ay, sorry. Ow. Hey, come on. Okay, no. Taas mo yung ano mo. Open, please. It's okay. No one's gonna hurt you. Wait. Nako, oh my God, naka-open niya sa baba.
Nakikita ko yung puwet niya.
Oh my God, is that flamingos? Wait, baba tayo para makita natin. Rufus Hornbill. Aka na. Where's the hornbill? Wait, asan siya? Feeling ko nag-escape. Siya. Ang layo.
Look at the bird.
What bird?
There's literally a bird there.
Girl, that is fake.
Is that fake?
Yeah, that's fake.
Oh, that's
Uy,
fake.
may sila yun.
Punta tayo sa sila yun.
Tara.
Okay, wait lang.
Wait. Oh my God! Dumating bigla yung mga maiingay. Oh my gosh. Uy, may iguana, Gab. Sabi, may iguana dito. Saan? Gab. Siya. Ay, it's they look fake. I believe. Naka-packyo siya. Oh my gosh! Oh! Hey. Hey. Ano to? Oh, it's an otter! Oh my God!
Where's the other one? Sige, wag ka mag-slide.
Asan niya? Veritas! Hi! Oh my God! Hi! Oh my God! Oh, tumae siya. Sabi niya, this is my good angle daw. Oh.
Yes.
Ayaw niya. Oh, I'm getting wet.
Rainforest.
Literal na biodome.
Oh my God, ayun yung flamingos.
Yo, flamingo for the win. Grabe. Like, tingnan mo, ang stable nila. O, diba?
It's so fat. It's so fat.
Oh! Yo,
What the hell?
nag-trick
Yung
siya.
video niyo yun?
Sorry sa mga vlog mo, Jada. Puro boses ko yung nag-aapaw. Legit. Oh, backflip.
He's doing that on purpose.
Kaya nga, nagpapakita ng ano
niya
siya.
kung paano siya premature.
Aura maxing, oh. Aura maxing. Uy, uy, uy. Oo. Wow! Wow! Ano kinuha niya sa baba? Oh, pakit. Oh. Wow! Kaya nga, isa pa. Isa pa. Oh! Uy! Tingnan mo. Oh! Uy! Aura maxing. Ito nawalan. Uy! Nagbabubble siya. Oh. Wow! Si Yana! Oh my God, si Yana! Yung cute nito. Wait, I'll picture this. Sorry.
Can you post like this? Gaganda ako.
Sige. Gab, is it for one person? No? Ay, sorry. Baka marinig. What's up, mga gays? Nag-start na po ang Philippine Biodome. Meron kasi mga birds sa taas. The reason they're moving because if they poop, it'll land here. Oh, it's an iguana. Yes. Oh my God, ang daming pigeon. Mga pigeon. Oh, wow! Ay, ayun yung nawawala, Gian. Nahanap na namin ang nawawalang ibon. Wow. Para siyang dinosaur. It's very prehistoric vibes. Jayron pa airdrop.
Lipat ka rin.
Jayron, lipad ka rin. Ang galing naman, this is very biodome. Kasi tingnan mo, there's a parrot, may pigeon, may iguana, tas may yung bird. Asan yung red bird?
Okay,
Wag na naman. Okay lang yan.
food rate?
Don't worry, kain ka lang.
Kumain ka na, Gabi.
Wala sa stress lang siya.
Stress siya. So, what's your rating? We're currently eating
Grilled pork and I don't know what man. It's like
Basta
tokpat
string
baboy
deal.
daw vibe.
Try this.
Bye-bye.
See you
See
later.
you later.
Hi, guys.
Hello!
So, we're currently entering the Christmas village. Ayan po. Oh my gosh, so festive. Oh, wow.
Judy Lime, Piv Lurit, Yuki Rotam, Piv
Piv
Dularitlo. Yeah, I got that. Period.
Oh my God, it's so festive
Oh
naman.
my god! Oh my god! Nagbabalita. Nandito kami sa Manila Ocean Park. Kasama namin si Santa Claus. Okay, thank you.
Picture. Magpipicture sila. Through some old photographs,
Exit na ba yan?
faces and friends will always remember.
Remember
There's your shoppers rushing about
about
the cool breeze of December.
Feliz Navidad. Da, 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 da.
Feliz Navidad.
Da, 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 da. Feliz Natal. Da, 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 da.
Nanarata.
Merry Christmas!
Ayan po si Gabby.
Kaya nga, ang daming afam.
What are your thoughts about this trip naman?
Let's go.
Oh. So gory naman. Alam niyo yung sa mga YouTube videos, yung mga walking
Merry
tour,
Christmas,
ganun
oh.
talaga yung peg natin today right now.
Wala ako?
Pumapatong-patong pala tayo.
Oo, girl, oo.
Kanina pa. Oh my God.
Bro, mali na naman yung tiraanan namin.
So,
So,
okay, so
bababa.
bababa na po kami.
Kasi mali po ang aming pinuntahan.
Hala, doon pa tayo pupunta. Like,
Oh my
lalabas pa tayo.
Babalik tayo.
So far. Oh.
It's okay. It's a workout.
Ano dito? Ano dito? Ano meron dito?
After all those carbs.
Ay, hindi. Hotel na pala.
Carbs.
Ano yung baril, oh? Well, magaling ako bumaril. Di ba, pwede tayo?
Oh my God, pwede na tayo
Ay,
dito.
gusto niyo na mag-creepy crawl?
Oh my God, ayun na sila, ang mga pisay.
Ah,
Mga pisay.
Ayan ang laki niya. Ang ganda.
Oh my gosh.
Legend, send mo lang sa akin mga picture.
Oh my gosh, ano yan? Cockroach?
Wait,
Ano
ano to?
yan?
Ano to? Dubai?
Kissing.
Ah, saan? Wala naman. Ew. I'm not
Grabe,
open.
tinulak talaga ako ni photographer.
It's
ah.
ipis.
Oh my God.
Bakit?
Yung ano niya, yung ilumina niya, parang yung lalagyan sa Kenny Rogers na baby.
Grabe, ang mahal mo naman. So,
Oh my God, it's moving.
Wow ah.
Ano ba yan?
Ako din natakot din ako dun eh. Jada, meron tayong Florida snapping turtle right here. Isa
Oh my
po siyang
God,
afam.
It's
Can
a
you picture that?
long-tailed
I'm gonna
blue
picture
tree monitor lizard.
ilaw eh.
Oh my God!
Ew!
Ew! Wait lang. It's tarantulas.
Hey guys,
What's that?
a sea urchin.
Look, there's two of them. There's two of them.
Wait, I wanna touch it.
Mga, kiss it, kiss it.
You will always...
Nakatalikod siya. Ang tough, bro.
You a bearded dragon.
Ay, styro lang pala dito to. Magaan na pala yan. I wanna eat.
Whoa.
Ay, sorry.
What if it like suddenly like bites?
What if yun na nasa SM?
What if yun?
Hindi ba Robinson yun?
Ayun sa ano, San Fernando. Oh, clear.
You're so shiny. You little snake.
Scorpion dun, oh.
Wait, Gabi, kapag tumalon ba ako, mauuntog ako?
Yan, try mo.
Whoa. What's that? Jada.
Green
Green.
My God,
para
namuntik
siyang
na.
matcha.
It's a python.
Yeah, it's a green tree.
I don't like
Python.
python. I like C++.
Corny.
Moving on.
Ano ba?
Big.
Oh my God.
Is that alive?
Siguro.
Yeah.
looks so wet. Sabi ni Kuya.
Ay, totoo ba to?
Wait, totoo ba to?
Wala nga eh.
Ay.
Girl,
Sabi ni Kuya nawawala. So, ibig sabihin nakatakas.
Oh my God.
oh my gosh. Gabi, ba't mo naman
Giant
binuksan?
hissing roach. Uy, oh my God.
Uy, may ipis.
Kasi the more
Gabi, tumalon ka nga.
the more the small.
Grabe ang daya mo. Sean, talon ka nga. Kung tatalan ka ba, mauuntog ka.
Hininaan ko lang box. Visit ka.
Wow.
That's so cool.
Look, oh.
Oh, what's that?
Ay, parang
That's so big.
Cool.
big.
Yeah.
It's too big.
Wait, what's that over there?
I also want to see. Elephant fish.
Oh, ang cute.
And freshwater angelfish.
Oh,
Look,
that's
oh,
so cute.
So cute.
Love that.
Okay, over here. There are other
I think
fishes.
these are just like regular.
Yeah, yung mga nabibili mo lang sa pet shops.
Ayun.
Ito, this is
Ang dami.
cichlids.
Joke lang, eme.
I think you're
Eme.
right.
Okay, so we're here in the next.
Wow.
Oh,
That's big.
catfish, giant
These are
gourami,
giant
a black
gourami.
haku, and janitor fish.
Yo, that's
Here,
goldfish.
these are koi fish. There are a lot of people right now. Oh my God, Gino, there's a turtle over there. Oh my God, there's a stingray over there. I hope you guys see it. Ayan. There's a stingray.
Yeah.
We're gonna go sa reef. Yeah. We're gonna go to the reef. Oh my gosh, ang cool. Oh my gosh.
Ang ganda, what the hell?
Okay, this is the same aquarium that I remember. Sa.
That's so cool, what the hell? my mic on?
Yeah,
Okay.
is my mic on?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
It's my mic. Oh my gosh!
Wait lang.
Oh my god! Parang vibrate. I have alcohol.
I hope you guys can see that. I'm like double carrying right now.
Inano mo na, Gab? You tried na? Okay, go.
Oh wait, I'm scared.
Go. Tingin ka dito, tingin. Smile. Pinumalayo sila, wag ka gulo.
There's a lot of people, guys. There's a lot of people. Ano, harap.
I can feel that. Round 2, they're cleaning my hands again. Kinain niyo yung buong kamay.
Parang dito ko yung
I'm gonna show you guys my basketball skills. Oh, you saw that? Whoa. Oh, sorry, you saw that? Oh.
Punta na natin
Punta
lahat.
na natin lahat eh.
Okay naman shark, penguin, sea lion, crocodile, zebra dog, salamander, yeah, frog.
We're about to leave na. I feel so sad.
Kaya nga, hindi tayo nag-sea lion show.
Yeah. I bought something. I bought something na naman. Whenever I go here talaga, I'm so magastos. Ah. Ano raw? Japanese. It's in Japanese.
Ay, gano'n naka-Japanese.
Uy, si Ethan.
Ethan, mapapasa mo yan.
Part naman kasi nung pag-field trip nung kumbaga leisure lang, nung naghahanap talaga yung ano ng animals. Di ba? Ha? Iba ang pinaka sa